Ooh. All right, so uh just started this TopStep combine. If you're looking at the replay of this, welcome to the channel. My name is Jay, and I guess this is the first like real live stream that I'll be doing for trading. I mean, I know it has some pressures related to live streaming trading, especially, and then because I do algo trading most of the time, you know, to me, I think live stream could be stressful, but we could still give it a shot. So this is the 50K TopStep combine that completed and registered yesterday, and yesterday. Took some trades, and yesterday we were up 215, and I got a couple trades today. So you can see here, this is Bitcoin. We have a position from down here on Bitcoin. We're just targeting 100 to the top, waiting for a push up. Now, if we start to break back below this line here, then I may consider closing, but wait and see. So we have a position on Bitcoin, and then we have a position on the Dow as well. So same thing, we just waiting to see what's going on here. And I kind of got in late on the Dow, and I took a few positions on the Nasdaq, but didn't really hold it this morning. This was a nice run up. This was ridiculous. So we will see what happens. The main target is about 200 for the day, and I mean, try just taking one micro contract at a time, not planning to, over leverage and overly risk a lot on the account. Yeah, this is where we are at with TopStep. At the moment, are also doing this 20 pip challenge. We have some drawdown here, but I mean, I could close it at any time. We start last week with $54, so we see how that go. If anything, I would close the positions, and yeah, you can't see the MetaTrader. So small thing. Yeah, so just take a look at Bitcoin. Oh, so we pulling back into this area we have here. We'll see if we could get a push to the upside. If not, we'll be closing this position and looking to see what would play out. So the strategy I'm using pretty simple. We have the 1 hour and the M5 with the super trend on it. We're looking at the H1 for the main direction, and then the M5 to confirm the direction. And then on the 1 minute time frame on Renko using ATR 14, we would look for a pullback and a break above the donkey and channel, and then that is where we take a position. So apart from that, let me see if it would pull up. Yeah, so apart from that, I will just be paying attention to the S&P, the Nasdaq, and I am looking at natural gas, but for the last couple of days while I was going through the evaluation, trading natural gas has been screwing me royally. So for now, we're just looking at Nasdaq, Dow, S&P, and Bitcoin. Nasdaq bullish whole day, and as nice as that is, I would look for a pullback before taking a position. I don't want to just buy the Nasdaq at the top of the range. Yeah, because that would seem like, as soon as you look to take a buy position here, the market will drop. So we would be looking for a pullback. If we could get a pullback and we break below this line, we get a red super trend, and then we would look for a move, upwards, and then take a position there. And more or less we do the same thing on the S&P. The only problem with this express funded account is I could only take 2 contracts at a time. So I already have 1 contract on Bitcoin, and then I have 1 contract on Dow YM. So I just need to wait. If it's anything, I may close YM and just take that $18-20 and look for a position on the Nasdaq or the S&P. The only reason I didn't do it yet is because we are at the top of the range, and we just kind of holding here for a while. So I don't want to buy and then we had a breakdown. So I will wait. I will be patient and wait, and just kind of keep an eye on these trades so far. Let us see. Let us see. I think I can do or should do. If I could fix that. In the meantime, yeah. So just waiting for a break back above the top here. Try to take out that profit target that we have, and then that would be it for Bitcoin. Then we'll just start looking for a position on the S&P and the Nasdaq if we could get a pullback, and then push up. Not too far from the daily target though. So if we do hit the daily target, I think I may just close my positions and call that George. We will see. We will see. We will see. We will see. Having a pullback on the Dow here. I mean, we should still be bullish on the Dow. We may get a pullback. We should still be pretty bullish on the Dow. Come on, a little bit again. Push above that, and let's take out the highs there. Try to stream and look at a movie too. I could even get some work done. Oh, we broke that. I think I'll close this position, take that profit, and then wait for a break back above the top there. Doesn't make sense giving back anything at this point. Right, so just waiting for that break above the top there. We do have a free contract now, so we could still look at the see what we have going on for the um the Nasdaq and the S&P. This is what I'm waiting for this pullback here. The break below the red super trend, and then because we are still bullish on the higher time frame, we'll wait for the red super trend to hit back green, and we'll wait for a break above the Donchian channel and then take a position. Same thing applies basically with everything. If we get a break above this on the S&P on the ES, we could take that as well. Get any breakdown here. Almost there, almost to TP. It's like the hardest 350 just to push above. Come now, man. We almost there at target, looking for 200 for the day. That is the combine, the XFA account target, 200 for the day. At the moment, we are at 276. We closed 61 so far. We are 276 total profit on the account. We are almost there for the daily target. So if Bitcoin could push through and we hit that profit target, then we could look for entry on the Nasdaq or the ES. When we pull him back again. The next or the closest entry that we might get would be on the YM. If we get a breakdown and then we get a break above this super trend and then we push through the downtrend channel, take a long position there. Bitcoin dropping a bit, so we're heading back down. We will play the game of patience. Patience. Hey, how are you going? What is the plan? Why is this thing not showing here? Ah, sorry, unfortunately, only English. I have no idea really what you're saying. If you know English, be sure to type it in the chat. Could work with that. One trading, or like I'm trading at the moment. Where you want to trade? See if we could find me later. I need to do here now. How's it going from India? Now trying to get this thing set up since I don't normally stream on this channel. Normally stream on my architecture channel. We just waiting for a push up. We just waiting for a push up of Bitcoin here in order to hit the profit target. And then we can look for an next position on either the Nasdaq or either Nasdaq or the YM. Every time I adjust this, I need to do that. This is dumb. Are we getting a pullback? If we break below this, oh, we shall see. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. I mean, we're still up about three-quarter ways to the daily target, so could close the trade and then look back, look for another position. Um, no yet. I could wait for Bitcoin to pull back, and then when it, you know, after this retracement, it break back through the donkey and channel, we could take a second position on it. Um, we just hold it a bit. If we break this point, if we break this point on the super trend, then I'll definitely be out. Definitely be out, and then look for another long position. But until then, we would be holding right here. Need to break this level right there. Right there. If we break that, I'll be out. If TopStep TV streaming anything at the moment. This is the boring part. This is the boring part. Just sitting here waiting for stuff to happen. Because on Bitcoin, we don't have much going on. We have this pullback. We just need to wait. If we break through this yellow line, I will definitely be out. Change it to white. If we break through that, I'll be out. Um, but we could just get a pullback and then it could break above the donkey on channel. We could take a second position. We shall see. SMP, the ES isn't doing much at the moment. What I want to see is a break below this, create a red down a red super trend, and then we will wait for a continuation move upwards after we break above the donkey on channel on the Renko chart. Same thing applies for the Nasdaq as well. The Nasdaq just hovering around here for the longest while. So we did get the breakdown of the super trend on the 5-minute chart on the YM. If we do get a pushback above and we create a green super trend, we break above the donkey and channel, then I would be long again. We shall see. Right now we just hold in one position on Bitcoin and we are pushing back up. What are we doing?